Good morning, students. In yesterday's class, I have given two problems and some formulas to write for pi times. I think all of you have written that one, and you should write them. You should perfect them. Then only you can understand the problems. Okay. Now those two problem solution. Given sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Theta is acute. Theta is acute means what? It lies in first quadrant. Greater than 0, less than pi by 2. When sin theta is 12 by 13, cos theta is 5 by 13. Tan theta is 12 by 5. Sin 2 theta formula is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 into 12 by 13 into 5 by 13 is equal to 120 by 169. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Even you can take 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Even you can take 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now we have taken here 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is 2 into 5 by 13 whole square minus 1. 5 by 13 whole square is 25 by 169. 2 into 25 by 169 minus 1. It is 50 minus 169 by 69. 50 minus 169 is minus 119. Minus 119 by 169. Tan 2 theta is equal to tan is what? Sin by cos. Sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, which is 120 by 169 divided by minus 119 by 169. 169 gets cancelled. Our answer is minus 120 by 119. Cot theta, second problem. Cot theta is minus 5. When cot theta is minus 5, tan theta is minus 1 by pi. Theta is greater than pi to less than pi. Means what? It lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, this problem I have calculated using tan theta term itself. Cosec 2 theta is what? 1 by sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta formula is what? 2 tan by 1 plus tan square. Now we will sin ಮತ್ತು cos convert ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Direct sin 2 theta in terms of tan, cos 2 theta in terms of tan formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? sin 2 theta ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2 tan by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan theta is what? Minus 1 by pi. Minus 1 by pi whole square divided by 2 into minus 1 by pi. The simplification ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 1 minus 1 by pi whole square ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1 by 25. 1 plus 1 by 25 divided by minus 2 by pi. This one on simplification we get it as minus 13 by 5. Sec 2 theta is 1 by cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. This one on simplification we get it as 13 by 12. Cot 2 theta will be taken as cosec 2 theta by sec 2 theta. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ cosec ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 1 by sin. Sec ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by cos. Cos by sin. Cot. Cot 2 theta is cosec 2 theta by sec 2 theta, which is equal to minus 12 by 5. If tan alpha is equal to 1 by 3, tan beta is equal to 1 by 7, prove that tan of 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Solution. What is given here? Tan alpha is 1 by 3. Tan alpha is 1 by 3. Tan beta is equal to 1 by 7. You need to calculate tan of 2 alpha plus beta. Before I write a tan of 2 alpha plus beta, tan of 2 alpha plus beta will be what? Tan 2 alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan 2 alpha into tan beta. So before calculating tan of 2 alpha plus beta, I am going to calculate tan 2 alpha. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ tan 2 alpha ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ tan 2 alpha ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. tan 2 alpha ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? tan 2 alpha is 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. This is equal to 2 into what is tan alpha? 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 square is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 9 is what? 9 minus 1, 8 by 9. Relation ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 4s are is equal to 3 by 4. ಯಾವುದು? tan 2 alpha ಇದು. tan 2 alpha. tan 2 alpha is equal to 3 by 4. Now I am going to calculate tan of 2 alpha plus beta. Tan of 2 alpha plus beta formula ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? tan 2 alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan 2 alpha into tan beta. Easy. What is tan 2 alpha? Tan 2 alpha is 3 by 4. What is tan beta? Tan beta is 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 is equal to, taking LCM, how much you get here? 21 plus 4 divided by 28. Denominator 1 minus 3 by 28. 21 plus 4 is what? 25 by 28. 28 minus 3, 25 by 28. 25 by 28, 25 by 28 as a whole factor gets cancelled. So we will be having now tan of 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Tan of 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Prove that tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 into cosec 2A, and hence prove that tan 67.5 degree plus cot 67.5 degree is equal to root 2. Solution. First we are going to prove this result now. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosec. LHS. Tan A plus cot A. Tan is taken as sin by cos. Cot A is written as cos A by sin. Easy. So taking LCM. What do you get here? Sin square A plus cos A into cos A. Cos square A by cos A into sin, or sin A into cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is what? 1 divided by sin A into cos A. Now what you do here? Multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. When I multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, numerator is 2, denominator is what now? 2 sin A cos is equal to 2 divided by 2 sin A cos A is formula sin 2A. 1 by sin 2A is cosec 2A. 1 by sin 2A is cosec 2A. So tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosec 2A, which is equal to RHS. So tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosec 2A. Now using this result, we need to prove this term now. So tan A plus cot A. Tan A plus cot A is what? 2 cosec 2A. In place of A, you take 67.5 degree. When A is equal to 67.5 degree, 2A is equal to 2 times 67.5 degree. 67.5 into 2. How much you get here? 120, 14, 134, 135 degree. Means what? Tan 67.5 degree plus cot 67.5 degree is equal to 2 into cosec 135 degree. You already know the value of cosec 135 degree. Cosec 135 degree can be calculated as cosec of 180 minus 45, or even you can take it as 90 plus 45 also. Cosec of 180 minus 45 is what? Cosec 45 quadrant, second quadrant, cosec is positive. So cosec 45 degree value is how much? Root 2. Sin 45 degree is how much? 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 degree is what? Root 2. With this value is what? 2. If sin A is equal to 5 by 13, find sin 3A. Solution. Given sin A is equal to 5 by 13. You need to calculate sin 3. What is sin 3A formula? Formula burde niಮಗೆ already. Formula ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. Sin 3A formula. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Sin 3A is equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now this is equal to 3 into sin A 5 by 13 minus 4 into 5 by 13 whole cube. 5 by 13 whole cube. Now here you can take 5 by 13 common. Or here itself we can say taking sin A common. If I take 5 by 13 common, you are left with now 3 minus 4 into 5 by 13 common to the 5 by 13 whole square. 5 by 13 whole square is 25 by 169. 5 by 13 you common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ? 5 by 13 whole square. 5 by 13 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 25 by 169. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 5 by 13 into bracket 3 minus 100 divided by 169. It is a 5 by 13 into 169 into 3. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ? 3 9 are 27, 2 3 6 are 18, 20 0 2 5 507. 507 minus 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 407 divided by 169. By 169. Now that is it. 407 into 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 400 into 5 2035 divided by 169 into 13. 39 is 117. 39 is 117. 13 169 into 13. 39 is 117. 11. 13 6 are 78. 78 79 89. 13 plus 8 21. 2197. 2035 divided by 2197. If cos A is equal to 3 by 5, find cos B. Cos solution. Given cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Cos A is equal to 3 by 5. You need to calculate value of cos 3. What is cos 3A formula? Cos 3A formula is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos, which is equal to 4 into. What is cos A? Cos A is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into 3 by 5. Now this is equal to 4 into 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125 minus 9 by 5. Now this is equal. This one 27 4s are 108. 108 by 125 minus 9 by 5. LCM 125. Numerator ಎಷ್ಟು 108 minus ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are going to multiply to 25. 25 into 9. 108 minus 25 9s are 225 divided by 125. 108 minus 225 is minus 170. Is it not? Minus 170 divided by 125. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Solution. LHS is equal to cos 4x. Cos 4x direct as cos of 2 into 2x. ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು cos 2 ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು cos 2x ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೊಳಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ a ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos 2a ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದನ್ನ a ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos 2a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀರಿ 2 cos square a minus n ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ cos of 2 times 2x is equal to what now 2 cos square 2x minus 1 2 cos square 2x minus 1 now cos 2x formula what is cos 2x formula ಅದೇ 2 cos square x minus 1 cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದೇನದ cos square 2x 2 into 2 cos square 2x minus 1 whole square minus is equal to 2 into now this is in the form a minus b whole square what is a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2a a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 cos square square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು cos x raised to 4 plus 1 minus 2ab ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 2 into 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 with minus 4 cos square x a square plus b square minus 2a minus 1 now when you take this 2 inside a bracket what do you get 8 into cos x raised to 4 plus 2 minus 8 cos square x minus 1 2 into 8 cos x raised to 4 plus 2 minus 8 cos square x minus 1 now 2 minus 1 ಏನು 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ 8 cos square x ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ 8 cos square x ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ ಉಳಿದೇನು cos square x minus 1 8 cos square x ಕಾಮನ್ ತರದೆ cos square x minus 1 ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದು sin square x plus cos square x is 1 is it not sin square is what 1 minus cos square ಆದ್ರೆ ಇರೋದು ಏನದು cos square minus 1 what will be cos square minus 1 then cos square minus 1 will be minus sin square if you take minus 1 common so this cos square minus 1 will be replaced by minus sin square now this is 1 plus 8 cos square x into minus sin square x 8 cos square x into minus sin square which is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x which is equal to RHS LHS equal to RHS prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan x raised to 4 okay solution LHS tan 4x I write it as tan of 2 into 2x tan 2x what is tan 2x formula tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x ಈಗ ಈ 2x ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ 2x ಅನ್ನು a ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ tan 2a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a ಇದನ್ನ a ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ a ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ tan 2a ಟೈಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ 2 tan a place ಏನದ 2x 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Now this is which is 2. What is tan to x formula? Tan to x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan to x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇರುವುದೇನದ tan to x whole square which is 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನದ ಈಗ 1 minus tan square x whole square ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus tan square x whole square. ಆಯ್ತಾ? a by b whole square ಅನ್ನಂಗ a square by b square ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು b square into 1 b square ಇದೆ minus 2 tan x whole square yes 4 tan square x 4 divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ 1 minus tan square x ಇಲ್ಲೇನದ 1 minus tan square x whole square. So you can cancel one of the factor 1 minus tan square x. And this denominator term goes to numerator. So what will be your answer? 4 tan x. 4 tan x ಇದೆಲ್ಲತ್ತ numerator ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus tan square whole square ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 plus tan square whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು tan x raised to 4a minus b whole square ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ which is equal 4 tan x into bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 2 tan square minus 4 tan square is what? Minus 6 tan square x. Okay? Plus this term tan x raised to 4 which is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. You are using a tan to x formula 2 times. Stay forward. Prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 into cos x raised to 6 minus 48 into cos x raised to 4 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Solution. Now this problem you can solve using two methods. One is taking a 6x as 3 into 2x. Another one is taking 6x as 2 into 3x. You 3 into 2x ತಗೋದು 2 into 3x ತಗೋದು ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ 2 into 3x ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ cos 2x ಟೈಪ್ cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು 2 cos square x minus 1 ಈಗ 2x ತೆಗೆದಾಗ 2a ಇತ್ತು cos 2a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು 2 cos square a minus 1 ಈ 3x ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ a ಇದ್ದಾಗ 3x ಅನ್ನು a ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ cos of 2 into 3x is equal to 2 cos square 3x minus 1. So cos of 2 times 3x is 2 cos square 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 into cos 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ cos 3x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x minus 1. ಇದು 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square 2 into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? a minus b whole square ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? a square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 cos cube whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4 square ಎಷ್ಟು? 16 cos cube whole square ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? cos x raised to 6 a square plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 cos x whole square 9 cos square x a square plus b square minus 2ab 2ab ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 4 into 3 2 into 4 8 8 3 is 24 24 minus 24 cos cube x into cos x is what? Cos x raised to 4 minus 1. Now taking this 2 inside the bracket 32 cos x raised to 6 plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos x raised to 4 minus ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 32 into cos x raised to 6 minus 48 cos x raised to 4 plus 18 cos square x minus 1 which is equal to RHS. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos 2x ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಬೇಕು, cos 3x ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Prove that cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 4 sin of x minus y by 2 whole square. Solution. LHS. What is LHS? Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಅದು? a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? a square plus b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 2ab minus 2 cos x. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x minus sin y whole square ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin easy. ಈಗ cos square x plus sin square x ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos square x plus sin square x ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1. cos square y plus sin square y ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Similarly, cos square y plus sin square y is equal to 1. Now left out answer minus 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y minus 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y. Now this is equal to 2 minus 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y. In these two, what is common? Minus 2 is common. If you take out that minus 2 common, you are left out with what now? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. minus 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y ಒಳಗೆ minus 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿತೇನು? cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. 2 minus 2 cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is a formula of what? Cos of x minus y. Cos of x minus y formula ಏನು? cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. cos x cos y plus sin x sin y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos of x minus y. ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 2 minus 2 times cos of x minus y. You have to have 2 common thing. When you take 2 common, you are left with what? 1 minus cos of x minus y. When you take 2 common, you are left with 1 minus cos x minus y is equal to 2 into 1 minus cos of x minus y. ಈಗ 1 minus cos theta ಅಥವಾ 1 minus cos 2x formula. What is 1 minus cos theta formula? 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Formula ಬರೆದಿರಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಾಗಬೇಕು. 1 minus cos theta, theta ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನದ x minus y ಅದಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus cos of x minus y is equal to what now? 2 sin 2 into ಅದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 2 sin square theta ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಾಗ ಏನದ x minus y by. So your answer will be what? 2 2s are 4 sin square x minus y by 2. 4 sin square x minus y by 2, which is equal to RHS. If tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2 is equal to a by b, prove that b minus a by b plus a is equal to minus sin theta. Eagle. Before we solve the problem, now a by b is equal to c by d. If a by b is equal to c by d, then you can write a plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. I think this one you have studied in 8th standard, 8th or 9th standard. A by b is equal to c by d. A plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? adding 1 on both sides. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? a by b minus 1 is equal to c by d minus 1. a minus b by b is equal to c minus d by d divided. Now one term divided by another term. a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು. a minus b by a plus b is equal to c minus d by c plus d. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ನಾ -1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ -1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಒಂದು -1 ಇದ್ರ ಒಂದು -1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? b minus a by b plus a plus b are equal to b plus a. b minus a by b plus a is equal to d minus c by d plus a. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು? b minus a by b plus a. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ a by b ದಾಗ b minus a by b plus a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೀಗ? ಇದನ್ನ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ c ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು? tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2 ನ c ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? c by 1. ಆ 1 ಅನ್ನ d ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ a by b is equal to c by d. a by b is equal to c by d ಇದ್ದಾಗ b minus a by b plus a ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? d minus c by d plus a. in d plus ದಾಗ ಏನದ? 1 ಅದ. c plus ದಾಗ ಏನದ? tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2. So we are going to apply this formula and solve this problem. Solution. Given a by b is equal to tan square of 45 degree plus theta by 2. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2 divided by 1. ಈಗ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೀನಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ divided by denominator plus numerator. Denominator plus numerator. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ b minus a by b plus a is equal to problem solve ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 minus tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2. ಈ 45 degree plus theta by 2 ನ x ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓದ್ರಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಾಗಬೇಕು. cos 2x ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಒಂದೇದು cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and last one is what? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು x ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದು? cos 2x. cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos of 2 times whatever the value is present. ಏನದು? 45 degree plus theta by 2. cos of 2 times 45 degree plus theta by 2. Now if we take that 2 inside the bracket, 2 bracket ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 45 degree is what? 90 degree plus 2 into theta by 2 is what? Theta. What do you get here now? Cos of 90 plus theta. What is cos of 90 plus theta? 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 90 into 1 function change sin theta. Quadrant, second quadrant, cos is negative minus sin theta. minus sin theta. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೇಳ ನೋಡಿ? prove that b minus a by b plus a is equal to minus sin theta. Your answer is also what? minus. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈ tan square 45 degree plus theta by 2 ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು a ತಗೊಂಡು b ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್. ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. Prove that sin 3a divided by 1 plus 2 times cos 2a is equal to sin a and hence find the value of sin 15 degree. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ sin 15 degree ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತದ. sin 15 degree ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟದ? √3 - 1 by 2 √2. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ sin 15 degree ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, first we will prove this one and then we will calculate value of sin 15 degree using this result. Solution. LHS equal to sin 3a by 1 plus 2 into cos 2a. Sin 3a. What is sin 3a formula? Sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube by 1 plus 2 into cos 2a. cos 2a I express it in terms of sin. ಯಾಕೆ sin ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ sin ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ cos 2a ನಾನು sin ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. sin ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? cos 2a. cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಪಾಪ? cos 2x 2 cos square x minus 1 1 minus 2 cos square x minus 1 1 minus 2 sin square x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now this is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here you can take sin a common. If you take sin a common, you are left with what now? 3 minus 4 sin square a divided by 1 plus 2 1 2 minus 4 sin square a. 4 sin square a which is equal to sin a into bracket 3 minus sin a into bracket 3 minus 4 sin square divided by ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 plus 2 3 minus 4 sin square 3 minus 4 sin square A, 3 minus 4 sin square A as a whole factor gets cancelled. You are left out with what now? Sin A, which is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Now using this result, you need to calculate value of sin 15 degree. And the result will ಏನದು sin 3 by 1 plus 2 times cos 2 is equal to sin. Now replace A by 15 degree. If A is equal to 15 degree, A is equal to 15 degree. ಈಗ ನಾ RHS ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಕೋದು ನಾವು. Sin 15 degree is equal to sin 15 degree is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Sin of 3 into 15. 3 into 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 degree divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 2a cos 30 degree. Sin 15 degrees, sin 45 degree divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 degree. What is sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This is equal to 1 divided by root 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 plus root 3. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 2 into bracket root 3 plus 1. Now rationalize root 3 plus 1. ಇದರ rationalizing factor ಏನು? root 3 plus 1 is rationalizing factor ಏನು? root 3 minus 1. So multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. When you multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1, in numerator you will be having root 3 minus 1. Now what about denominator? Root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. A plus B, A minus B. A plus B, A minus B is what? A square minus B square. A square minus B square and root 3 square is 3, 1 square is 1. So this is equal to how much now? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into root 2. 2 root 2. So sin 15 degrees, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Assignment 14. If tan alpha is 1 by 2, tan beta is 1 by 2, then find the value of tan of 2 alpha plus beta. Second problem. Prove that cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 times cot 2A. And hence prove that cot 15 degree minus tan 15 degree is equal to 2 into root 3. Third problem. If tan A is equal to 1 by 2, find tan 3. Tan 3A formula, write tan 3A formula and substitute. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is a 4 times cos of x plus y by 2 square. Fifth one, prove that 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta divided by 2 sin theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to tan of theta by 2 whole square. Sixth one, prove that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan square theta by 2, and hence prove that tan 15 degrees 2 minus root 3. Prove that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2, and hence prove that tan pi by 8 is equal to root 2 minus 1. Prove that sin 3a by sin a minus cos 3a by cos a is equal to